In today's video, I'm gonna print up some shirts for Veteran Days using my Cameo 3. Coming up.
It's that Super Bowl, no, she must flow. Yeah. It's that
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, and after, smash that like video and drop me a comment. And don't forget to share this video. Because I'm trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers by the year 2020, and we got plenty of time, so you guys can make it happen for me, right? Yeah, we could do it. So I'm gonna print up some shirts that I received from my website for Veteran Day. So this Veteran Day, I'm a little bit busy, which is good, so that Cameo is working overtime, because we're gonna use the B Flex Gimme 5 vinyl, black one. We're gonna print it on a military green shirt. So we're pretty busy this year. And this mat, you know, the Cameo 3 mat, look at it. I just cleaned it and make it again sticky, so it's all sticky again. But in a separate video, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean this to make it sticky again. It's very simple, very easy, and I'll show you the product that I will be using for it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is already import the image from Illustrator into my Cameo 3, and then we're gonna press the shirt. Okay, so let's get into this Veteran Day t-shirt making. Right? That sounds good? Catch you in a second. So I'm gonna use this to cut the vinyl. I don't know what it's called. Paper cutter? I don't know. But I got, this is a really good one. The blade is really sharp. I got this off Amazon. So I'll put a link down below where you could check it out. I mean, it's really good. You know, it's super sharp, and plus it has a little latch right here to lock it, so I don't cut my fingers off. So this is the Gimme 5. I have a few more. I have a few Veteran Day t-shirts to make, so I gotta order some more of these. So I need to cut this about 12 inches. This vinyl from I got it from primalpickusa.com. Yeah, and this is 15 by 12, I believe. No, what am I talking about? This is like 15 inches. Yeah. The part that I don't like the most is putting the vinyl on the mat. It's about keeping it straight. Really gets on my nerves. Perfect. Let's head over to the vinyl cutter now. Okay, so the first one is finished. So this is the second one. I realized that there's other shirt that I have to print, but I do not have the shirt, so I have to order the shirts. So I'm gonna have to order the shirts. So tonight we're only doing 2 shirts. And you get to watch. Front row seat, baby. Okay, second one is finished. Okay, so I finished cutting the vinyl, the B Flex, give me 5. But I realized that for some of the other orders, I don't have enough t-shirt because they have to be the military green, and I don't have enough, so I'm gonna place an order and get them in. So tonight we're only gonna do 2. The source where I get my t-shirt from, I get them just like this. So if I order it now, that bad boy will show up tomorrow or the next day. Latest is 2 days. That's the latest. So I don't have to worry. I'll get it in. And I'll make a separate video on telling you guys where to get your t-shirts. And like Rhea said, it's free 99. I won't charge you a dime. So anyway, let's start weeding this. Let's go. Remember, I'm using the B Flex, so I don't need a Teflon sheet. Wow, this is on point. B-Flex, give me 5. That's what I'm using. All right, so now let's head over to the hat press where I'm gonna print my logo. I'm gonna press my logo on the back of the shirt. So let's go. I'm gonna put my logo on the back. You know how it works. You guys see me do it. You guys see me do it over and over before, where I put my logo. Okay, so like I told you before, I didn't have all the t-shirts in stock. So I placed that order and those bad boys are coming tomorrow. So I'll be ready to ship these bad boys out. Okay, so I have more t-shirt coming. And what I pack my t-shirt, I make sure they get an invoice. Also, I send them coaster, you know, with my logo on it. Woo! Yep, send them that. Send them stickers. See my stickers? Yep. they get these stickers, and plus my mailer have my logo on it too. That's right, my mailer have my logo on it. I got all these stickers and coaster and mailer. I got it all from Sticker Mule, right? Sticker Mule, that's where I get it. So anyway, thank you for hanging around. This Veteran Day week that's coming up is a blessing for me because I have orders flooding in on my website. So everyone, can you go check out my website, comfortstyles.com. You'll find a lot of pre-designed shirt that I do on there, or there's some of them that you could customize. That's the way I run my screen printing business. It's not like your traditional screen printers, how, you know, like I said, they get bulk order. Mine is different. Mine is up on Etsy, and I have my own website and eBay. So that's the way I make my money. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, like the video, and share the video too. I'm trying to reach to 1,000 by 2020, and I know, like I said, with your help I will be able to do it. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this, and as always, your boy Flex, I'm out.